Shruti, and today we are talking about skincare. I have been such a skincare connoisseur ever since we've been in lockdown. I feel like this is the time that I want to take to really self-indulge, self-care. I have really paid a lot of attention to skincare. So that's why I'm like always excited to share my favorite skincare products with you guys. So today I just wanted to share my nighttime skincare regime, and I feel any kind of skincare is important for you to kind of have because we all are getting older and we want to look good. But a nighttime skincare routine is actually even more essential because that is when your skin actually does its rejuvenation and kind of rest so that you can start all over again the next day. So I am really excited to show you guys the things that have made a very big difference in my skin. So let's get started. So now that I have established why a nighttime skincare regime is so important for you guys, I just want to give the hugest shout out to the two products that I feel have been the biggest game changer in my nighttime skincare routine. First one being the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. The second one being the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid. Honestly, these two products have been such a game changer in my nighttime skincare routine. Both of these products have a beautiful lightweight texture, which is great for someone like me who has an oily, acne-prone skin. And I've actually spoken about this in my previous videos also, that when I came back from Dubai, I felt like there were a lot of skincare essentials that were available there, which I kind of missed having here in the Indian market. And an essence and a good serum was definitely something that I was looking for. And when it comes to L'Oreal Paris, I've just seen my mom use it for so many years. So it is kind of like a no-brainer for me if I want to just try something new. I don't know what product I can choose from the rack. I just naturally tend to go towards something that L'Oreal Paris has. And the great thing is that this is actually suitable for all skin types, which is great. And all of their products are clinically researched and they actually put in a lot of effort into formulating each product as well. And I feel that is why me, at least as a consumer, trusts the brand so much. So yeah, when I knew that I wanted to incorporate like an essence and a hyaluronic acid serum into my skincare, I just felt like I can trust L'Oreal Paris with it. So starting off with my skincare routine, I first start with a cleansed face. This is important because you don't want any impurities on your skin when you're using skincare. You want to start off with a clean slate, and I use like a gentle foaming cleanser for that. So I finish my cleansing and toning and straight move on to the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. This is honestly such a unique product because it actually penetrates 10 layers deep into your skin, and the lightweight texture of it is also so brilliant. The best part is that you don't need cotton pads or anything of that sort. You can literally just put it in your palm and pat it on your face, which is also environment friendly, if I may add. And the essence actually allows for better absorption of any hydrating products that you put on it afterwards. And as a bonus, it also has salicylic acid in it, which gently exfoliates your skin. And for an acne-prone skin like mine, this is just literally godsend because this is everything that I need in a bottle. After my essence, I move on to the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have spoken about how amazing hyaluronic acid is. Hyaluronic acid is actually a natural formula that is available within your body, and the best part about this is that it can actually hold 1,000 times its weight in water, and 1.5% is the right amount of concentrate of hyaluronic acid which is present in the product, which is highest amongst all of the L'Oreal Paris portfolio. It actually increases skin radiance and gives the skin the intense hydration that at least I know my skin needs. So the reason why we use the Crystal Micro Essence before the hyaluronic acid is because lighter skincare products should always go first. The essence helps to prep the skin, which is when we apply the hyaluronic acid, which gets absorbed into the skin equally quickly. The Crystal Micro Essence adds moisture to the skin, and the serum is able to lock in all the extra moisture and actually give your skin the hydration that it is looking for at the end of the night. And it is always recommended that you use like a moisturizer, a gel or a cream based moisturizer depending on your skin type after you've done with your serum. I, being an oily acne prone skin type, I obviously go for a gel based moisturizer to kind of seal all my goodness in. After I'm done with all of that, I know I'm being a little extra here, but I got these ice globes off of Amazon, and I just like rolling them all over my face in an upward motion. This is just to kind of give my skin this calming feeling. After it has been through all the things that I've put it throughout the day, I feel like this just calms my skin, and it honestly makes me sleep also better, because when you put that thanda on your skin, it just it's really amazing at the end of the night. So yes, that is my nighttime skincare routine, you guys. I've been enjoying using these L'Oreal Paris skincare products for such a long time now, and I feel like with continued use of them, like I've been using them for like a good 4 or 5 months at this point, it has really helped my skin so much. And I feel like they work best when they are used in combination with each other, but they are just kind of like santa banta, you know, like one without the other is just adhura. I would definitely highly recommend you guys to check out both of these products and include them in your skincare routine, because they have been such a game changer. I will link the products down below as usual, and you can check them out because honestly I see such a difference in my skin. So yes, I guess that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.